As a business owner or marketer, your goal is to systemize video production so that you're not spending tons of time making one video. In fact, the video that you're watching right now took me about 30 minutes to sketch out and only about 15 minutes to film.
Cut.
Dang it! 16 minutes to film. From there, we have systems in place to handle the editing, the repurposing, and the promoting online, which causes us to appear all over the web and gets our competitors to go, "Man, Owen, how did you do that?" As a business owner or marketer, you should be all about systems and creating videos systematically. And so the content system I'm gonna show you right now starts with planning the video and takes you all the way to repurposing the video. Deviating from this model will throw the whole thing off. So I want you to follow this process very, very closely. So how do you do it? I probably just need an editor, right? Wrong, Pele. You need a whole strategy that all starts with filming according to the great video formula. This formula will help you to film your videos properly, showing your editor where they need to make cuts and where you need to add your branding overlays. Now, I go into this strategy in another video, and the link to that is in the description box below. The next step are your video branding elements. Now, your video branding elements are branded video overlays that help you to hide the cuts that are in your video to give you a solid and smooth look and feel that will rival any Hollywood produced video. Video branding elements are how you take a video shot with an iPhone and turn it into a television quality video. Your video branding elements are critical to this process, especially when it comes to the repurposing. So don't skip this step and don't go buy generic branding elements from some, godforsaken website. Step 3 is your video editor. Now, it's essential that you edit your videos according to a Henry Ford style assembly line where each video has a similar look and feel. Now, if you don't have an editor on staff, or if you have a hard time finding an editor that's affordable, then we highly recommend that you look at a subscription-based editing service. And these are popping up all over the place now. With a subscription service, you pay one low monthly price and you can crank out your videos. Plus, that editor is now editing your videos according to the great video formula and the video branding elements that you just made. No, I know. No, it's good. I appreciate it. Thank you. Oh, I love that part. So now that we have a branded video series that looks and feels like a TV-made video, it's time to begin the repurposing model. And this is really the core of what I wanted to teach you today. It all starts with a widescreen video that's made for YouTube. And the standard dimensions for that are going to be 1920 by 1080. This widescreen video becomes your main core video, and this should be uploaded to YouTube. Your next step is to turn that widescreen video into a square video meme, following the process I'll outline right now. From that first YouTube video, you want to select the best 1 to 3 minutes of footage and export it separately onto a square canvas so that the widescreen rectangle video fits in the middle of that square canvas. You'll notice that there's a blank area at the top and a blank area at the bottom. What you'll want to do is add a very strong attention-grabbing headline at the top and add your captions down here at the bottom. Now, your temptation might be to just share this video out on all the different networks, but you can change the headline for each platform that you're going to deliver to. And typically, these square videos perform extremely well on LinkedIn and Facebook. But you can add other platforms into that, except Instagram, which I'm gonna get to right now. Once you have your final completed square video meme, you're now gonna take that same square video and open it into a vertical canvas, export that video for IGTV. Now you've got a main video on YouTube with a trimmed down version for LinkedIn, Facebook, IGTV, and anywhere else on the web that you might want to use it. Now, it's important to note that 85% of all videos on social media are viewed in silence. And that's why it's very wise to use the bottom section of the square videos to add your captions. This way, your viewer can engage with the content without having to share with everyone in line at Starbucks what it is that they're watching. You might be thinking, great, Now I just need to know what videos I should be creating for my channel. Well, if that's you, then I want you to stick around, because in this video, I'm gonna share with you 4 different strategies for coming up with hundreds of potential YouTube video titles, and it will knock your socks off. So click on the video that's on your screen now, and I'll see you there.